Welcome. If you're tired of getting friend requests from random server members on Discord, you're in the right place. Today I'll walk you through the simple steps to prevent server members from sending you friend requests with the latest updates for 2025. Let's jump right in. First, open up your Discord app. Whether you're on mobile or desktop, the steps are almost identical, so don't worry about missing out. Once you're in, look at the bottom right corner and tap on your profile picture. This will take you straight to your user settings. Now scroll down until you find a section called Content and Social. This is where Discord has moved a lot of privacy and connection features in the latest updates. Go ahead and tap on Content and Social to open up those options. Inside this menu, you'll see a section labeled Friend Requests. Here's where you control who can send you friend requests on Discord. By default, Discord allows server members to send you requests if you share a server with them. But if you want to keep things private and only receive requests from people you actually know, you'll want to change this setting. Look for the option that says Server Members. You'll see a checkbox next to it. Simply uncheck this box. That's it. Once you do this, server members will no longer be able to send you friend requests unless you have mutual friends or you're in their contacts. This change is instant, and you can always come back and adjust it if you change your mind. It's a great way to keep your friend list clean and avoid unwanted requests, especially if you're active in large public servers. So, to recap, open Discord, tap your profile, go to Settings, select Content and Social, and under Friend Requests, uncheck the Server Members option. That's all it takes to keep your friend requests private. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Discord tips. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your more private Discord experience.